I am Roger Sash. I'm the interim chair of the Computer and Electronic Engineering Department located at the Omaha campus within the PKI Institute, the Peter Kiewit Institute. Today I'm going to talk to you about the accredited programs we have within our department. We have two accredited programs, one in computer engineering and one in electronics engineering. First, I'll talk about the computer engineering program. The computer engineering program will start by giving the students a strong fundamental electrical engineering basis. This is going to be similar to the basis that every computer engineering program in the United States would be having. Our students are going to have coursework in designing microprocessor-based systems, designing very large-scale integrated circuit systems using hardware description language. They're also going to be able to write software to test their designs. There is an overlap between computer engineering and computer science. Both majors would have extensive programming knowledge. However, the computer engineers know about the hardware that the programs are working with. Electronic engineers will also have a strong electrical engineering basis. They'll be having extensive coursework in analog circuit design, radio frequency circuit design, telecommunications engineering, and wireless communications. We also have elective areas in robotics, information security, wireless sensor networks, and multimedia systems. Our graduates will find jobs throughout the United States. Local employers that hire quite a few of our graduates are Union Pacific Railroad, Lockheed Martin, Northrop Grumman. Those two industries are associated with the defense industries out of the Offutt Air Force Base area. Also have graduates working for Kiewit, CSG International, and a lot of our students are employed by startup companies in the Omaha area. Nationally, our students find employment at Garmin in the Kansas City area, Google and Apple in Silicon Valley in California, and also agricultural electronics is a real hot area. We have students working at John Deere and AGCO. Students with a farm background usually find working for these companies especially rewarding. Most everyone is interested in what type of salaries you will be receiving upon graduation. This list is from a September 2013 survey by the National Association of Colleges and Employers. As you can see, computer engineering, electronic engineering have salaries in the $60,000 to $70,000 range. But looking also at this list, all the technical areas do have very respectable starting salaries. You shouldn't be choosing a major based on the starting salary. You need to choose a major based on what interests you and what you would like to be doing for the rest of your life. Why would you want to choose the computer electronics department over the electrical engineering in Lincoln, the computer science and engineering in Lincoln, or other computer electrical engineering programs in the area? One is going to be that we are located in Omaha. In the greater metropolitan area, there are a lot of companies that are looking for interns and also full-time employees. Our students are able to get year-round internships. During the school year, they will work about 20 hours a week at the company. And then during the summer months, they'll be working 40 hours a week for the company. Internships pay very well. They'll be getting in the area of $13 to $15 an hour for their jobs. Another advantage of our program is that we do have small class sizes. You're going to get to know the instructors very well. You'll also be able to form good friendships with your classmates, friendships that will probably last you for a lifetime. We also have a well-known freshman mentoring program where seniors will be working with freshmen to help them make the transition from high school into the university environment. Also, our program is known for its extensive hands-on laboratory experiences. Almost every class of ours does have a laboratory component where you will be designing, building, testing different designs that you've talked about in the lectures. The employers really are enthusiastic about all of our laboratories and what we've done with our students. They refer to our graduates as industry-ready engineers. This is one of the first items you will be building as a freshman. You will do soldering on the circuit board, assembling all the hardware on this robot, which was conceived and designed by some of our sophomore students a few years ago. The robot is controlled by a PS2 controller. Students also will be programming the robot in the C programming language. Robot is also used in some of the upper level classes. Also in your first semester class, you'll have a laboratory in which you are building circuitry discussed in the lectures. This is a typical circuit that was designed and built by students. It has a counter, displays in binary. It also has circuitry which will convert it to signals necessary for the 7-segment displays. Students also learn how to lay out printed circuit boards and get them constructed. This shows a circuit board that does the same thing as the prototype we had on the breadboarding. It does display in the 7 segments and also has the LEDs to show the binary coded decimal output. The computer engineers will build an embedded system consisting of a microprocessor, RAM and EEPROM memory, decoding devices, and also circuitry and equipment to provide input-output. This one has a keypad and an LCD display. The students write a small operating system for the device in order to prove that it works properly. One of the functions that can be tested on this is writing to LEDs. It also allows you to enter information directly from the keypad. It also allows you to write and read information from memory to verify that the prototype board is working properly. The culmination of the program is the senior design thesis project in which a team of students will be constructing a real-world circuit solving a real-world problem. The one I've shown here on the video is a device that will monitor a home environment. The home does not have wired landline phones nor internet capabilities. So the students decided to use a wireless cell phone technique to transmit the information to the users. It'll display and record information on temperature of the building and also different refrigerators that we have set up. It can also transmit information about the status of a garage door. The device allows you to customize it, setting different limits, being able to determine and enter the phone number to be called upon and out of normal condition. Students doing these projects will have experience in all aspects of building projects, the same as they would have on a job. After having completed the senior design project, students will have the equivalent of about 6 months experience in the eyes of employers. The project does include all aspects of a real job, researching the project, checking patents, doing the work with teammates, and also the documentation. If you'd like more information about our programs or our facilities, you can contact me. I can make arrangements to talk to you in person and show you the facilities we have available at the Peter Kiewit Institute. Thank you.